Michelin Tweel tires have revolutionized the landscape of skid steer machines, boasting a groundbreaking tire and wheel assembly that utilizes high-strength polyresin spokes instead of air to support the load of the machine. This innovative design promises virtually zero downtime, addressing the drawbacks and limitations often associated with traditional solid skid steer tires. Recognizing the significance of this technology, Pete's Tire Barns, Inc. has embarked on an ambitious venture, successfully retreading the Michelin Tweel Airless skid steer tire and wheel. The complex process undertaken by their skilled retread technicians, led by experts Dennis McCarthy and Jared DeRosier, involves meticulous steps to restore the Michelin Tweel to its optimal performance. The retreading process at Pete's Tire Barns begins with the careful buffing down of the surface of the Michelin Tweel, preparing it for the application of new materials. The process of carefully polishing the surface of Michelin Tweel tires at Pete's Tire Barns is a meticulous and crucial step in the retreading journey. The Michelin Tweel, known for its revolutionary airless design, requires specialized attention during the preparation phase to ensure optimal adhesion of new materials and to restore the tire to its original specifications. As the tire enters the polishing station, it undergoes a series of carefully calibrated procedures. The first stage involves the inspection of the Michelin Tweel to identify any irregularities, damages, or foreign objects embedded in the tire's surface. Technicians meticulously examine every inch, using their expertise to determine the extent of the necessary polishing. This attention to detail is essential to guarantee the safety and longevity of the retreaded Michelin Tweel. Once the initial inspection is complete, the tire moves on to the buffing process. This phase requires the use of specialized equipment designed to delicately remove the existing tread and any imperfections from the surface of the Michelin Tweel. The goal is not only to create a smooth and uniform surface but also to expose the underlying layers for the subsequent application of new materials. Technicians carefully control the pressure, ensuring that the buffing process is thorough without compromising the integrity of the tire's structure. Following the buffing stage, the Michelin Tweel undergoes a precision polishing step. This involves the use of fine grit abrasives and polishing compounds to achieve a high-quality, smooth finish. The polishing process is crucial for creating an ideal surface for the adhesion of new rubber and tread materials. Technicians pay close attention to every contour of the tire, working diligently to eliminate any residual imperfections and provide an optimal foundation for the retreading process. As the polishing nears completion, the Michelin Tweel's surface transitions from its original worn state to a polished canvas ready for rejuvenation. The careful removal of the old tread not only prepares the tire for the application of new materials, but also ensures that the retreaded Michelin Tweel will meet the stringent safety and performance standards set by Pete's Tire Barns. Throughout the entire polishing process, the technicians adhere to industry best practices and safety guidelines. The equipment used is regularly maintained and calibrated to guarantee precision and consistency. Additionally, dust extraction systems are in place to minimize airborne particles, creating a clean and controlled environment for the tire retreading process. The process of filling polished Michelin Tweel tires at Pete's Tire Barns represents a crucial phase in the meticulous journey of retreading these revolutionary airless tires. Following the careful polishing of the Michelin Tweel's surface, the tire enters a specialized station where skilled technicians, led by experts Dennis McCarthy and Jared DeRosier, apply high-quality rubber materials with a focus on precision and durability. This stage involves a series of carefully calibrated steps, ensuring that every aspect of the tire receives the attention it deserves. The first step in the filling process is the application of a bonding agent to the polished surface of the Michelin Tweel. This bonding agent serves as a crucial intermediary layer, facilitating the adhesion of the new rubber materials. Technicians apply the bonding agent with precision, ensuring even coverage across the entire surface of the tire. The meticulous application of this bonding agent is a critical factor in establishing a strong and durable bond between the existing structure of the Michelin Tweel and the incoming rubber. Once the bonding agent is in place, the technicians begin the process of filling the gaps and crevices of the polished Michelin Tweel with high-quality rubber materials. This rubber is carefully selected to meet the specifications required for the tire's intended application, whether it be in construction, agriculture, or any other industry where skid steer machines equipped with Michelin Tweels are utilized. The technicians work with a keen eye for detail, ensuring that every contour and groove of the tire is adequately filled to restore its original shape and structural integrity. The rubber filling process involves the use of specialized tools and equipment designed to control the flow and distribution of the rubber material. Technicians carefully guide these tools along the surface of the Michelin Tweel, paying close attention to any intricacies in the tire's design. The goal is to recreate the tire's internal structure with precision, reinforcing its strength and ensuring uniform support for the load-bearing spokes. This meticulous approach to filling ensures that the retreaded Michelin Tweel maintains the performance characteristics of a new tire, providing enhanced durability and reliability. As the rubber filling progresses, technicians continuously monitor the consistency and quality of the material being applied. This involves regular checks for air pockets, voids, or irregularities that could compromise the tire's structural integrity. Any identified issues are promptly addressed, with technicians employing their expertise to rectify the situation and guarantee a flawless filling process. The attention to detail during this phase is paramount, as it sets the stage for the subsequent steps in the retreading process. The filled Michelin Tweel then undergoes a curing process where the rubber material is subjected to controlled heat and pressure. This curing process is essential for the rubber to achieve optimal hardness, resilience, and adhesion. The Michelin Tweel spends more than 4 hours in this controlled environment, allowing the rubber to bond seamlessly with the existing structure and the bonding agent. The extended curing duration ensures that the retreaded Michelin Tweel emerges with the strength and durability required to withstand the challenging conditions of its intended use. Throughout the entire process of filling polished Michelin Tweel tires, Pete's Tire Barns maintains a commitment to quality control and adherence to industry standards. Technicians follow established protocols, leveraging their experience and expertise to deliver retreaded Michelin Tweels that not only meet but exceed the expectations of their customers. The use of high-quality rubber materials, coupled with precision in application and a thorough curing process, contributes to the production of retreaded Michelin Tweel tires that offer enhanced performance, longevity, and value. In conclusion, the process of filling polished Michelin Tweel tires at Pete's Tire Barns is a meticulous and carefully orchestrated series of steps, from the application of bonding agents to the precise filling of gaps with high-quality rubber materials. Every aspect is geared towards restoring the Michelin Tweel to its original specifications. The attention to detail exhibited by skilled technicians, coupled with the controlled curing process, ensures that the retreaded Michelin Tweel tires rolling out of Pete's Tire Barns exhibit the strength, durability, and precision required for various industrial applications. The heat and pressure treatment phase in the retreading process of Michelin Tweel tires at Pete's Tire Barns is a critical and sophisticated procedure designed to solidify the structural enhancements made during earlier stages and ensure that the retreaded tire meets the high-performance standards expected by both the manufacturer and the retreading facility. This phase follows the meticulous steps of polishing, filling, and treatment, setting the stage for the final transformation of the Michelin Tweel. As the retreaded tire enters the heat and pressure treatment chamber, it undergoes a carefully controlled environment where temperature and pressure are precisely regulated. The first aspect of the heat and pressure treatment involves subjecting the retreaded Michelin Tweel to elevated temperatures. This temperature-controlled environment is essential for achieving several objectives. First and foremost, it enables the curing of the rubber materials applied during the filling phase. The heat activates curing agents within the rubber compound, causing a chemical reaction that transforms the material into a resilient and durable structure. This transformation is crucial for achieving optimal hardness, flexibility, and adhesion, ensuring that the retreaded Michelin Tweel exhibits characteristics comparable to a new tire. Simultaneously, the controlled heat serves to further bond the treated Michelin Tweel's components. It enhances the adhesion between the new rubber material, the existing tire structure, and any treatment compounds applied during earlier stages. This comprehensive bonding process contributes to the tire's overall integrity, providing a robust and cohesive structure capable of withstanding the demanding conditions often encountered in industries such as construction, agriculture, or material handling. The second critical element of the heat and pressure treatment is the application of controlled pressure to the retreaded Michelin Tweel. Pressure is an equally vital factor in the curing process, working in tandem with heat to ensure uniformity in the distribution of materials, and to eliminate any potential air pockets or voids within the tire's structure. The applied pressure facilitates the proper consolidation of the rubber, treatment compounds, and the existing tire components, resulting in a homogeneous and well-integrated structure. The duration of the heat and pressure treatment is carefully determined, taking into account the specific requirements of the Michelin Tweel and the retreading specifications set by Pete's Tire Barns. The extended duration of more than 4 hours under these controlled conditions allows for thorough curing, ensuring that the retreaded Michelin Tweel attains the desired hardness and resilience. This prolonged exposure to heat and pressure is a testament to Pete's Tire Barns' commitment to delivering retreaded tires that not only meet industry standards, but also surpass the performance of their new counterparts. Throughout the heat and pressure treatment phase, Pete's Tire Barns employs state-of-the-art equipment and technology to monitor and control every parameter. Automated systems ensure that the temperature remains within the precise range required for optimal curing, and sensors constantly assess the pressure applied to the retreaded Michelin Tweel. Skilled technicians oversee the entire process, ready to make adjustments if needed, and conducting periodic checks to guarantee the tire's quality and adherence to specifications. The culmination of the heat and pressure treatment marks the transformation of the retreaded Michelin Tweel into a resilient and high-performing tire. The tire that emerges from this phase exhibits enhanced durability, heat resistance, and structural integrity, setting it apart in terms of both performance and longevity. Pete's Tire Barns, through its meticulous attention to detail and dedication to employing cutting-edge technology, ensures that every retreaded Michelin Tweel meets the stringent standards expected by customers, relying on the durability and reliability of their skid steer machines. In conclusion, the heat and pressure treatment of Michelin Tweel tires at Pete's Tire Barns represents the pinnacle of the retreading process. This phase, characterized by carefully controlled temperature and pressure, plays a pivotal role in curing the rubber materials, enhancing bonding between components, and solidifying the structural improvements made throughout earlier stages. The commitment to precision, advanced technology, and extended curing durations underscores Pete's Tire Barns' mission to provide retreaded Michelin Tweel tires that not only meet but exceed the original specifications, offering customers a reliable and high-performance alternative to new tires. Through meticulous steps such as polishing, filling, treatment, and a sophisticated heat and pressure treatment phase, Pete's Tire Barns has not only met but exceeded the original specifications of the Michelin Tweel. This achievement represents a pioneering effort in maximizing the value for customers, extending the lifespan of these airless tires, and contributing to sustainability efforts by reducing environmental impact. With a commitment to precision, advanced technology, and a comprehensive understanding of the retreading process, Pete's Tire Barns has set a new standard for excellence in the industry, showcasing their dedication to delivering high-quality, durable, and performance-driven retreaded Michelin Tweel tires.